So I wanted to come up with a cool metaphor about saving money being like a jigsaw, but honestly that was just an excuse to post this video of me taking a jigsaw apart backwards because it looks so cool. It is true though that making changes to do things cheaper is similar, in that there isn't one big thing that will suddenly make a giant difference. It is lots of small steps. Switching to a different brand could save $1 or $2 each week, switching power companies might save a couple of dollars each week, buying secondhand clothes another $1 or $2. Each small change in itself won't seem like much, but like a big puzzle, each little piece is so important, and you could be searching your lounge for quite some time for those last two pieces. Yeah, actually that has nothing to do with saving money, that's just kind of what happened. But back to topic, it's what all the little things add up to in the end that makes the effort worth it. I'm hoping that was a good enough metaphor to be an excuse. So anyway, hit that subscribe button for tips on how to live life cheaper. Hit like, because you know this puzzle took me and the kids like 2 weeks to complete. If you have any good ideas you'd like to share about saving money, please leave me a message. Any good ideas that make it onto the channel I will certainly give you credit for. Also visit my Cheaper Ways NZ Facebook page for sharing tips and ideas on living life cheaper. Have fun out there.